Udemy offers a wide variety of courses, making it a marketplace where anyone can post their courses. Subscribing to Udemy is free, but you pay for the courses you choose. Topics include HTML, WordPress, Photoshop, CSS, and other web design subjects at a beginner level. Each course typically lasts 1 to 2 weeks. Founded in 2011, Udacity initially offered university-style courses, but now focuses on vocational training for professionals. It is ideal for web developers seeking guidance on projects or new skills. Courses cover AI, full-stack web development, autonomous systems, and machine learning. The web development course is free and covers beginner-level topics. The AI market is projected to be worth nearly $1.8 trillion by 2030. Coursera provides a solid foundation in both front-end and back-end web development. The front-end course focuses on JavaScript and the React library, while the back-end covers SQL and NoSQL. You will also learn JavaScript and HTML, CSS. The course offers a 7-day free trial, but it is not free. By the end, you will have valuable material for your portfolio. Treehouse is an all-rounded course that frequently updates its video-based lessons to keep learners up to date with new trends. It offers over 300 video-based courses in game development, web design, mobile development, and web development. Ideal for beginners, intermediate, and advanced developers, Treehouse includes quizzes to ensure comprehension. Completing quizzes earns badges displayed on your profile. The course is not free, but you can become a Python web developer in 5 months. edX offers courses suitable for both beginners and advanced learners. The beginner course starts with an introduction and progresses through languages and frameworks used today. Though not free, the course is affordable and prepares you for work in any web development company. The W3C course covers modern HTML tags, JavaScript, web graphics animation, and CSS best practices. The course can be completed in less than 7 months. Tuts Plus introduces learners to React, even if they are not planning to use this language. It targets those unfamiliar with coding in React and teaches how to build a game and a web app quickly. The course takes an average of 2 hours and is not free. Code Academy offers a comprehensive path for a career in web development. Subscribing to the Pro account provides access to on-demand quizzes and courses. They also have an app for learning on the go. The course covers basic industry tools, and learning is self-paced. A monthly fee is required, and courses are constantly updated, suitable for all levels. Created by Aga Naplocha, Skillshare teaches learners to be creative with their web portfolios. The course focuses on innovative design without using usual templates. It is perfect for those wanting to implement unique designs with code. Learners start with a free 30-day trial, followed by a monthly or annual fee. Free Code Camp offers a full-stack web development course split into 6 certificates. Completing all 6 courses earns you a full-stack certification. The course covers various topics and equips you with tools for custom website development. It is free and great for beginners, preparing you for a job in a few months. W3 Schools is ideal for those with busy schedules. The self-paced course allows you to choose your training, from HTML to SQL. Each certificate costs the same, and you take a supervised online exam. You choose your supervisor, whose name appears on the final certificate. Web development companies seek employees with the right skills. Whether upgrading your skills or starting a career, training is essential. Web development is fascinating, and learning coding is a step towards the future.